आप बहुत लोगों के दोस्त होते हो बट आपका कोई स्पेसिफिक दोस्त नहीं होता है, राइट? आई नो दिस इज गोना ट्रिगर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल राइट हियर, बट आई विल बी vocal about it, and as I said, I'm not gonna put a filter to it. Even if nobody likes me, let me be there for me. I hope that makes sense. वो जो लाइन है ना करीना कपूर वाला के मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ,
ना कर प्यार मुझे, मैं तो लाख बुरी हूँ, नींद चुरा लूँ, होश उड़ा दूँ, मैं तो बाहों में लेके राह भुला दूँ, बात बना दूँ, चाहे जहाँ दिल को छुपा, बातों ही बातों में दो मुलाकातों में ले लूँ। बचना हसीनों लो मैं आ गई,
बात तो ठीक नहीं है। And filter off. Welcome to Dilodrama, a solo podcast hosted by yours truly, Aditi. And I cannot be happier than this today because I have been waiting to voice out my emotions. And what better than you all, right? I welcome you again to my safe space. Here we do not chase validation, we chase the spotlight, and sometimes we are the spotlight. Today's topic is a little too personal. It is called Main Character Syndrome, Guilty and Glorious. I know it is getting a little confusing, but let's talk about it. Let's start from the basics, okay? अब main character syndrome होता क्या है? Now, when I say main character syndrome, a lot of people might be, thinking कि is it a disorder? क्या ये एक disease के बारे में बात कर रही है? She's getting boring. Not at all, guys. So, it is just a way how a person thinks. Not everybody, not necessarily everybody, some people, okay? So, main character syndrome is equal to an irrational belief that your life is a movie or a drama scene, ठीक है? अगर मैं इन शॉर्ट बताऊँ ना, अगर एक लाइन वो जो लाइन है ना करीना कपूर वाला के मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, so that is equal to the main character syndrome. So when I say main character syndrome, it is like, I sometimes imagine myself that I'm into a Karan Johar movie का climax scene, or probably I think that, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि I feel like I am like sitting in my pajamas, in my PJs, and my brain is legit thinking that, oh, my hair is beautiful, I'm looking beautiful, and my hair is flickering in this slow motion, and gaane baj rahe hain background mein. It's like a little delusional, which I'll, come into depth a little later, but that is something which a lot of people think that, oh, are you a psychopath? ये तो क्यों सोच रही है, क्या सोच रही है? But it is not. It is, I feel, हमारे लिए ये एक survival mode हो जाता है, because a lot of times the world just, shuts you down thinking, oh, you're too small, or you just have to fit in. But intentionally or unintentionally, your brain just knows that, you're built in a way कि आपको सब समझ नहीं पाते हैं. You are not a person who would be understood by each and everyone around you, right? So that is more like a coping mechanism where you kind of connect to yourself, and your nervous system makes you feel कि like ठीक है, even if nobody likes me, let me be there for me. I hope that makes sense. Okay. Of course, it is not at all glamorous, okay? Now, I have imagined a lot of times, I mean, I'm pretty sure बहुत लोग जो मुझे अभी देख रहे हैं, मे बी आप रिलेट कर पाओ ना कर पाओ. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है बहुत बार ना कि मैं अपने आप को मिरर में देखती हूँ. मे बी आई हैव ड्रेस्ड अप रियली वेल वन डे, एंड आई लुक माई सेल्फ इन टू द मिरर, एंड आई फील लाइक आई हैव वन दिस फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड. काफ़ी लोगों ने ये किया भी होगा. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर आई एम नॉट अलोन. you feel like, you're holding this Filmfare award in your hand, and you go like, I want to thank this and this person in my life, and you keep on giving the speech feeling like, you have won the award. Here's the thing, main character syndrome का एक toxic part अगर मैं बताऊँ, it is like, अगर आपको main character syndrome है, then you sometimes overreact, okay? You sometimes over romanticize toxic men. You sometimes overshare your things with friends which are actually not your friends. एंड प्रॉबेबली ऐसा बहुत बार होता हो कि आप 2 बजे कोई सॉन्ग सुन रहे हो एंड यू जस्ट कीप ऑन क्राइंग कंटिन्यूसली. आई मीन इट्स जस्ट अ स्टोरी दैट यू एंड योर पिलो नोज, राइट? सो आई फील लाइक ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना कि बहुत लोग नहीं समझ पाते हैं, एंड बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि you're just over dramatic, but they do not understand that we are on our survival mode and we are trying to cope up with all the emotions that we have. ऐसा होता है ना कि आप बहुत लोगों के दोस्त होते हो, बट आपका कोई स्पेसिफिक दोस्त नहीं होता है, राइट? You may say कि oh, my mom is my best friend, my dad is my best friend, but at the end अगर सिर्फ पेरेंट्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो सकते तो you would not need friends around you, right? So if I talk about a particular friendship or a particular person who you feel the safe space to speak about a lot of stuffs, and you do not get the same energy from there, so you kind of build I would say an aura or an emotion ke I have been betrayed a lot of times. I need me more than anyone else. People think that this is sometimes, self-obsession. People name it sometimes like, you're crazy, तू mental है, तू पागल हो गई है. They keep on saying, right? And sometimes people may feel like, you're too delusional. But I would say, there is a very thin line between being delusional and being stupid. Okay, I know this is gonna trigger a lot of people right here, but I'll be vocal about it, and as I said, I'm not gonna put a filter to it. Being delusional and being stupid are two different things. जब आप ओवर डिल्यूजनल हो जाते हो ना, तो वो स्टुपिडिटी पे चले जाती है. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेन कैरेक्टर सिंड्रोम, जैसे मैंने बताया, आप डिल्यूजनल होते हो बट आप सिर्फ अपने लिए होते हो. इट इज़ मोर लाइक यू आर प्रोटेक्टिंग योर सेल्फ, right? But when it comes to stupidity, then you start doing stupid things around people. Main character syndrome is something, you would not do much around people. It is more like a war between you and yourself, right? So I don't know if I should call it a toxic trait or a coping mechanism. It is actually a mixture of both worlds, but it happens. You do overshare, you do overreact, और जैसे मैंने बताया, यू डू ओवर रोमांटिसाइज टॉक्सिक पीपल इन योर लाइफ, एंड बाद में आप उसको रिग्रेट करते हो एंड यू फील लाइक काइंड ऑफ गिविंग अप. बट मेन कैरेक्टर सिंड्रोम से ये अगेन, जैसे मैंने बताया, कि एक फ़ायदा भी ये है कि आप अपने आप को फिर पुश भी करते हो कि नहीं, आई विल बी द बिगर एंड द बेटर पर्सन, आई कैन कैरी माई सेल्फ वेल, even if the world is not there around or with me, I'm gonna be there for myself, right? I think Rihanna once said in her interview that उनको interviewer ने पूछा था कि what do you do when you're not happy? She said that pretend. So pretend to be happy. When you start pretending to be happy, your subconscious mind starts looking for things around that will make you happy. And that's how you get your energy back. क्योंकि अगर आपको किसी इंसान ने बिट्रे किया है, उसने बिट्रे इसीलिए किया है बिकॉज उसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप उसके लिए क्या करते हो या आप उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हो. You can bring the moons and the stars down for the other person and they will still not value you and betray you. My love, take this on your head, right? So I think that's the mantra. You need to just make sure that, and you just kind of need to remind yourself that you are the main heroine of your story, and no matter what the world says, you are going to come back stronger, bigger than anything and everything in life. Okay, here's the part that people don't understand. For girls like us, being the main character is actually not delusional, it is our survival mode. And I'm not trying to be, gender specific. It can be with anyone, to be honest, but mostly girls. And that's exactly how we girls protect our softness, right? And we do dress up for ourselves, and then one day you buy yourself flowers. You just have your me time while shopping. So I feel that's not delusional, that's actually survival mode. And this is exactly how we women, or we girls, take our power back and stand up stronger when the entire world is telling you, you're just invisible or you do not matter. Just think about it. Like, how many times have we made our own selves, or our sisters, or our friends, or our mothers feel like they matter? Now, I'm just, again, I'm not trying to be gender specific. It can be anyone, but mostly women, right? How many times have we told ourselves that, you're beautiful, you deserve everything that you ask for? We don't. And by the time we realize it, we have gotten the entire, dump of betrayals on our head. So that's one way how we kind of, fight back. So, we girls kind of, pretend sometimes. Sometimes, I think most of the times ऐसा होता होगा कि you just sometimes feel good wearing your PJs, having cooking your own meal, or probably like wearing a thrift market ka t-shirt, but kind of feeling like, oh, this is a very branded 50,000 rupees ka t-shirt. So what? If that makes you happy, do it. So is being the main character a little toxic? Maybe. But is it glorious? Hell yes. And if this is called being delusional, I do not want to be cured. And if being the main character gives me the power, the energy to be the best version of myself, to be a hustler, to achieve all the ambitions and goals in my life, I freaking do not want to be cured. I am not guilty at all. So yeah, that's all about the main character energy and the main character syndrome. And I loved having this conversation with you all. Thanks a lot for tuning in to Dilo Drama, a solo space where chaos meets clarity. And I'm Aditi, your host, your heroine, and sometimes your villain too. So if you are one of the main characters of your life and have that main character energy, or probably if you know someone, maybe a friend, relative, or anyone who does have the main character energy, do not forget to tag them in the comments, or या तो अपने बारे में बताओ, अपनी story के बारे में बताओ. How do you feel the main character energy in your life? I would love to read those comments. I would love to react to them, and let's create this besties environment where we are a safe space for each other. And I will see you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye.